Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a subscription box from Your Paper Insider, and I couldn't wait, so I opened up the pretty tissue that this bundle was wrapped in, and I thought I would share with you what comes in a specialty paper in subscription box. So you get an assortment of solid core cardstock, you get specialty unique papers in different weights and finishes, glitter paper, confetti, holographic papers, just to name a few. There's some cold press watercolor paper, can't wait to try that, and handmade papers from Japan. So let's get started. And so pretty, so I love all the finishes of these papers. Just filling them was so fun, and I had to share them with my family, my kids. I let them fill them because it's just unique to fill all these papers and see the patterns and just imagine what you can make with these. And I believe they are featuring this subscription for home decor, so you can check out the website. Also, this look how pretty that sparkle is. This is a $29.95 free shipping in the US addresses only. So you'll get this subscription box winter, spring, summer, and fall. And it's such a good price, and I love that it's free shipping. So look how pretty those colors are, and the weight is so thick, and I just love that it tells you a little bit about the papers on that page that was on the cover. And so Kim was so sweet to send me a subscription box, and I made a card, but I am going to make another card because why not? There's so many papers here, and like I said, Your Paper Insider was so sweet to send me a box. So, and I'm probably going to want to subscribe because, and you probably will too, because they're just so pretty, and it'll be so fun quarterly seeing what you get. I wonder if they match it to like themes, you know, like fall. Like this seemed like a really nice spring bundle, but I wonder if they match it like with fall or winter. So I guess we'll have to find out when we subscribe. And I think these last two might be watercolor. And I'm going to share my card. So, and look how pretty. I just love it. And so here are the papers I used. I used 4 papers for my card. And I'm a little bit of a paper hoarder, or a big paper hoarder. So I tried to use them sparingly. And here is my cute spring card. So I used that vellum color for the butterfly and for the background, and then I use that glitter paper to the left, and I use that green paper, so pretty. So I use Sweet November stamps and Lawn Fawn. So I will have everything listed in the description, and I hope you subscribe to Your Paper Insider. I will have my affiliate link down below, and thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.